Guys, welcome back to part 2 of our video. Now we got all the suspension on. Now it's time to redo our test to the best of, we're going to try to simulate the best that we can to what we had before, see if there's any difference at all. Maybe it was just a bunch of money on fancy parts to look pretty, or maybe they actually function better. He said it rides better. We'll see, you know. So we're out here in the desert. Let's check it out. We're gonna redo the water bottle test now the suspension's upgraded. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna see how much water spills out of that bottle when it was in his cup holder. We're gonna rip across this spot of the desert here, same spot we did last time. We're gonna do the same speed we did last time. See how much water flies out of this puppy. It's a little busier out here, so hopefully we don't hit anybody, because that's definitely gonna spill more water out of the bottle than what we expected. So let's get at it, see what happens. So we're back in that same spot we had it before to flex it out a little bit. Since then, he has gotten new tires and wheels, so that may affect our measurements a little bit. His old tires were pretty worn, but they are the same size tires that he had on there before. So as you can see, that one's stuffed. You know, I should have measured this droop because that looks better. Okay, so this was at 4.5 before. Okay, well, we're at 3, so it does stuff this front wheel in a little bit better. But like I said, his tread was worn down a little bit more, but it was about the same actually. So all right, so we got 3 inches over here, so that's already an 1.5 inch difference right there. That's pushing up in there. His old springs, like I said, were really stiff. Okay, now this was like 7.5. Before. That's definitely more than 7.5 inches. And as you can see, like on the last video, his control arm, the ball joint is pretty much maxed out and almost touching the coilover. There's still more room for this thing to come down. Very cool, very good. With the tape measure on here, oh yeah, baby, we're at 9.5 inches. So we gained 2 inches on that. Now, I don't know if there's actually 2 more inches of travel on here. I don't think that's the situation, but between everything working together, we've got 2 more inches of overall droop right there, I guess. So that's positive. That actually worked more than what I thought it would. Okay, let's move on to the next one. See if we can simulate the same things. Guys, don't be these people. You got families out here trying to enjoy the land, and y'all are dumping trash out here. I don't mean y'all like one of you viewers, but don't be this person. Don't bring stuff out here and dump it in the desert. Nothing will get these places shut down quicker than people doing stuff like this. And unfortunately, it's everywhere out here. Look, I mean, the garbage. These are places we come out here and enjoy, guys. Don't be this person. There's nothing that makes me more mad than people coming out here and ruining the places that we try to enjoy. Whoop test redo. Let's see what happens. Rowdy. Woo! It still sounds like a bucket of bolts. All right, so a lot of this is going to be based off of opinion and feel. It's not exactly very professional, so we'll have to see what his biased opinion is on this suspension, and he's probably going to tell us it's primo, totally worth the money.
Works.
Does it?
Oh yeah, I can't see anything because my windshield wipers broke. But hey, I mean,
no, okay.
oh,
Suspension.
Oh, it's amazing. I could do that.
Smoother.
Oh, smoother. Yeah, for sure.
Totally worth the money.
For sure. I was just driving one finger, you know, just like boing.
Right.
It's kind of boring.
I mean, it's basically a trophy truck now.
That's what I'm saying.
Especially since you had temporarily did a hood delete. You've got a mirror delete over here.
Yeah.
We got lightweight options going on. So guys, since you've seen the truck, like I said, he's got different tires and wheels. The hood has flew off since then, which we have just reattached today. We went about a week without a hood. So when the hood flew off, it dented up the hood. It busted this windshield wiper, as you can see. So now he just splashed through puddles.
Yeah,
and he can't see anything. some other repairs we're gonna have to do to the truck that aren't fun. Emmanuel wipers. Well, as you can see, according to him, the suspension's totally worth it. Now I do see some benefits. There has been some improvements in some things, but overall, I do believe it was worth the money. I know that's good stuff on there. I know I'm kind of razzing him about spending a lot of money on his truck. But if you're going to keep your truck for a long time, you're going to do a lot of off-roading, I highly recommend investing in some proper suspension and some good equipment like he did. So that concludes our testing, guys. I think overall, I mean, it was a benefit. Was it $3,000 benefit? You know, that's more for somebody like you guys to decide what kind of off-roading you're going to do, how long you're going to keep your truck, and you know, how much abuse you're going to put it through. Stick around. We are going to do, I'm sure there's a lot more stuff to this truck we're going to have to fix, replace. There already is. There's already things falling off this thing. So there's going to be a lot more videos on this truck, probably on mine as well. So stick around. There's going to be more fun stuff coming. One thing I forgot to show you was how much water was left in the water bottle after the water bottle test. Not much came out. I would say it was less than the first run. But I seen him, I rewatched the video and I seen he had his hand on the bottle. So there was a little bit of cheating there, but still, I think it was less. He says it's smoother. You know, we'll go with his professional opinion after all. So anyway, guys, just so you know, there's more GR Corolla videos coming up. They're gonna be coming up here real soon. Even have something pretty exciting planned. I'm pretty fired up about. So stick around if you want some more GR Corolla videos. Car's been in here. She dusty. She's just been sitting around. So we're gonna get the car out, have some fun, do some cool stuff.